What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be replacing the headlight bulb on this 06 Ford F150. Now this right here you can do on a 04 through 08 because it's the same generation. So let's take the headlight housing out, take a look at that bulb. Alright, once you take the headlight housing out, there's another video on my channel, so feel free to check that out. You want to take and turn your headlight a quarter of a way, it will pop out. Once it pops out, you're going to replace it with the factory style. It is a 9008 and or a H13. This is a Sylvania H13, but this is the super bright one. This is not like bright as an LED or HIDs, but they're very, very bright for the halogen series. So that's what I wanted in my truck. Simply pop that bulb out, stick it back in. The little notches right here that you see will line back up with the little notches right here inside the housing. It takes a second for you to find it. You have to go around with it. Sometimes it's just not going to line up for you right then and there. So you have to have a little bit of patience. Alright, it will lock right in. So I simply turned it a quarter of a way. Now it is locked and secured. So I'm going to put the headlight right back here. Before you mount this housing back to the frame, let's go take a look and see if it works. Turn the headlights on. Yep, they work. Alright. If you find any interest in this video, you got some use out of it, do us a favor, show your support, smash that thumbs up button for us. Feel free to share this video with other people. And again, if you need help on taking this headlight housing out, how to do so, to change the bulbs and or just to replace with aftermarket headlight housing or headlights, simply check those videos out on this channel. And until next video, thank you for viewing.